Oxford TCC Speaking Test Introduction. Hello, my name is James Carter, and I will be your examiner today. Welcome to the speaking section of the Oxford TCC exam. This test has 3 parts. First, I will ask you some general questions about yourself. Then, we will have a discussion on a specific topic. Finally, you will give a longer answer about a subject I will introduce. Try to speak as naturally as possible. If you need me to repeat a question, just let me know. Let's begin. Phase 1. Personal questions. In this first part, I will ask you some questions about yourself, your daily life, and your interests. Try to give complete answers. What is your name? Can you spell it for me? Where do you live? Can you describe your neighborhood? Tell me about your daily routine. What do you usually do on a normal day? What do you enjoy doing in your free time? Can you describe a special event or celebration in your country? If you could learn a new skill, what would it be and why? Phase 2. Interactive discussion. Now, we will have a discussion. I will ask you to share your opinion and explain your ideas. Try to give reasons and examples in your answers. Some people think studying online is better than attending classes in person. What do you think? Do you believe learning a second language is important? Why or why not? Imagine you are organizing a cultural festival. What activities would you include? Many people believe that technology is making people less social. What is your opinion? Some people say school should teach more life skills, such as managing money or cooking. Do you agree? If you could improve one thing about your city or town, what would it be? Phase 3. Extended turn. In this last part, you will have to speak for about 1 to 2 minutes on a given topic. I will give you a few seconds to think before you start. Try to organize your ideas and give details. Describe a person who has influenced your life. How have they inspired you? Talk about a time when you had to solve a difficult problem. What happened? And what did you learn? Tell me about a book, movie, or TV show that had a strong impact on you. Why was it meaningful? Describe a challenge you have faced and how you overcame it. If you could make one change in the education system, what would it be and why? Some people say happiness is more important than success. What do you think? Closing the test. That's the end of the speaking test. Thank you for your answers. You did a great job. Your results will be available soon. Have a great day.